Hey everybody, Jamie at shopmasc.com. Welcome to another MASC Minute. So we're picking up on a couple of videos we just did. This is the final of the 3 steps we're going to talk about today. And Jeremy has a few products to speak about here, so I'll hand it over to him.
As we were talking about earlier, the process for growing Alchemist is cleanse, detox, activate. We've talked about cleanse and getting access to the skin by really renewing the skin and getting rid of dead skin cells. And then we've talked about the detox process and how important that is to restore function. Basically, those 2 steps are about bringing function and capability back to the skin cell. But now we have it, we really want to use it. And the way to use it is activating it with active ingredients that the body can, number 1, recognize, and number 2, utilize. If the body can recognize ingredients, it can utilize ingredients. So when it comes to actives, I'm going to talk you through a 1 product line which has 3 different states, 3 different forms. This is one of our anti-aging products. It's an anti-aging moisturizer. It uses some complex peptides, actually a phytopeptide, which simply means plant-based peptide. The important thing about this peptide, it's recognizable by the body. So the cell receptacles, which is basically the things that grab ingredients out of a product in the skin, need to be able to recognize the molecular structure of the active ingredient, which is exactly what this does. Simply put, the body can recognize natural. This is a natural peptide. What it does is over a very short period of time, 15 to 30 days, we can get an increase on healthy functioning skin of 128% in collagen production. Collagen is the main building block for the skin. It's the plump, solid, firm state that the skin feels when you've got lots of it. This product is a medium weight product, perfect for summer and just sort of in going into winter. Once winter comes along, you generally need a little more hydration, and the environment out there is a lot drier, and particularly as you get into the middle of winter, you want to increase hydration. So what we do is we increase the active ratio in this product, and we also increase the amount of hydration that you receive from this product. It's a thicker product. As you can see, it's a lot heavier. Really, really moisturizing, perfect for dry conditions. Same result as you get in the slightly lighter weight moisturizer. If that's not enough for you and you've just been on a long flight and you really want to give your skin a hydration boost, you can do that while still doing an anti-aging result with the product. This is a treatment product. It's a treatment cream that'll increase hydration dramatically in the skin. You can put this on at night, you can put it on in the evening while you're watching television, or you can even put it in the morning if you've got some time to wait. This product goes on, it actually goes on and you look a little white, but it absorbs incredibly quickly into the skin, and within a very short period of time, it's absorbed and disappeared. So it's an important product for giving your skin a boost, perfect for traveling, if you're in air conditioning a lot and you really feel your skin needs a hydration lift.
Awesome. I had the opportunity to try the Age Repair Moisturizer over the summer, the one in the tube here, and I was a big fan of it. So yeah, that's the final step. Check them out at shopmasc.com, and of course, if you're in Vancouver, you can come see them here. Thanks for listening.